what it looks like first thing in the morning when they get up and they want to go outside or something like that. This little one is climbing above me. This one is sitting right there. The other one is right there. This one is licking my head. Like, yep. See, this is what happens when you have 3 pups and they want you to get up first thing in the morning. Especially the little one. See? And then this one, she's ready for you to go outside. So yeah, this is what happens in a typical morning at my house. These 3 surround me and they want to go outside. Right, Taf? And this little one. And then this big one. I'm sitting there biting. Really? Hey! Stop trying to bite my leg. And see, this one now, she starts to claw at you.